Hey guys, Brett at Russell Marine Products. Today we're excited to do an unboxing of the new Eagle Eye with live sonar. So stay tuned. All right guys, so we're excited to announce the new Eagle Eye with live sonar is here. So we wanted to do a little bit of unboxing, show you the parts and pieces, transducer, how it's going to mount up. So let's just dive right into it. Box comes like your HDS Pro units, Elite FS. You know, we got the sleeve going to slide off. We're going to dive into the good stuff here. All right, first we'll bring out the unit. And so here is the unit. Now we did cheat a little bit. I had already opened this and put it back up to do a little filming, so you'll be able to see that shortly. But it does have the clips like the FS. Got the 4 clips on the corner. They do not come on that. They're in a package, and just slide those in place. But the Eagle Eye 9, much like the Eagle unit, non-touchscreen. All your buttons are over here. We're going to do another video shortly, powering it up and just kind of walking through settings and things with you, menus that you're going to have. But for this one, we just wanted to kind of show you what's in the package. So that's the actual unit. You've got 2 plugs in the back, sonar and power. And then, of course, we'll open the box here. And we're going to save the transducer for last. Got a gimbal bracket. And then we've got our knobs in here. Plastic gimbal, much like the FS, the Live 9s, the Pro 9s. So same bracketry there. I don't know if it works on those. We haven't tested that out, but same style of gimbal bracket, okay? Then we've got our power cord. It's going to be the smaller of the 2 cables that are in here. The new thing with the Eagle and the Eagle Eye, remember those are 2 separate. So Eagle is going to be your side, down, and 2D sonar. That's a separate unit. This is the Eagle Eye, which what you get with this unit is 2D and down imaging. And then in the live sonar, you actually get live sonar on this. You get forward view and down view. So what we're not getting with the Eagle Eye is side scan, and then if you guys know about Active Target 2, the perspective or the scout mode for Lowrance. So again, this unit 2D and down imaging for our sonar, live sonar, we've got forward and down. But a new feature for the power cable, they've got this new adapter on the outside. In the old hook units, you could just push these in. A lot of times that connectivity was not good. Now they've got a locking key, so as we put it in the unit, we can actually lock it into place, so keep it from pulling out. All those connectivity issues they had with the hook units, not going to have that anymore with this, so that's a nice upgrade for this unit. And then let's talk about the sonar. So again, sonar plug, going to have that quick lock key to lock it into place. And then this is the actual sonar. So as we can see, not something that we're used to, triangle shaped transducer. You're going to actually mount this to the trolling motor with this bolt here. There's a bolt. I'll show you the mount here real quick. So this is the mount that would go on the side of the trolling motor. Right now, that's all they've got. They do have a transom mount bracket that would go here, so you could put it on the transom. That does not come with this. It's something that you've got to get separate. And then this piece is what comes. So it's going to go on the barrel of the motor, and then we're going to take that screw, come through the side, and then that's how it's going to mount. So some key features with this. You do not have to change the position of this transducer. When you put it on the trolling motor, you go 2D down imaging or the live sonar forward and down. You're not having to change the transducer position like we do with active target 1 or 2. So that is kind of a huge thing for me. Guys that are putting on this on their boats, the small boats, say John boats, kayaks, this is not something you're going to have to reach into the water, pull the trolling motor up, pull your pole up, change the position of the transducer. Just set it and go, and on the screen you can move through that. So, guys, that's everything that comes in the box. You've got your manuals and stuff. Shows you how to mount everything, but that's the Eagle Eye 9. That's what you're going to get with this. Again, right now they're $9.99. That's got the CMAP inland mapping preloaded. They also have a $1,049 option that's going to have the CMAP Discovery mapping built in. Haven't seen those yet, haven't got those in, but that's the only difference with the two units is mapping that's preloaded. They do have the SD card slot over here on the side. So if you've got an avionics chip, you can put that in there. If you've got a CMAP reveal, you could put that in there. So it does have a map slot. That's cool. SD card if you want to save waypoints, things like that. So it does have that. We're going to have another video of actually running through this and going through the menus to kind of show you what it's like. We're going to have on the water that you can check out as well. So stay tuned for those. But we just wanted to unbox this thing, just got them in. You got any questions, give us a call at 316-313-4113 or shoot us an email at sales@russellmarineproducts.com. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.